Hi, got another unboxing video for you, and it is November's Glossybox. So this arrived this morning. I also received my Look Fantastic, so that will be going up tomorrow. So if you're new to Glossybox, then I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it is, but if you've seen it all before and you just rather skip forward to seeing the actual contents, I will, as always, add a timestamp down below, so it'll be in the comments, so I'll pin it in the comments so you're free to just flick forward. But Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging. You can cancel any time, and they offer 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. I do have a refer a friend code for, I believe, 20% off your first box. I will link that down below, so click on the show more, that'll bring up the description, and the discount code will be there, as well as links to this Glossybox. So if you're interested, then you're welcome to take a look there. Inside you get a mix of beauty items. You get hair care, you get skin care, you get makeup, sometimes tools, sometimes even a chocolate bar. You get around 5 items, sometimes you get 6 if they add like an extra freebie in there. Even though the box costs £13.25 altogether, the box contents usually way outweigh the cost of the box. You're talking £50, £60 plus. So for me, I absolutely love this box. Some months are better than others, as you'd expect with a subscription box, but I love it. I think £13.25, it's such a bargain. This is a PR box. A couple of months ago, Glossybox got in touch with me asking me if I'd like to be on their PR list, so this is an actual PR box. But because I don't know how long these things last, I've decided to keep my subscription going. So I keep the PR box, and when my subscription comes, if I haven't got a birthday or anything lined up, I will put that box up for a giveaway. So it all depends if there's a birthday or not, or whatever. So yeah, so look out for a giveaway possibly this month for the same box as this. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I've got a little leaflet here. Now on here it tells you all the information about the products inside this box. It tells you whether it's full size, sample size. It also gives you the cost, and it tells you a sneak peek for next month, which I'll show you in a little while. So this is what it looks like. Really pretty packaging, really pretty. Let's open it up. Even though I received a press release for this a couple of weeks ago, I can't remember what's inside. Ooh, there. I'll show you first. Ah yes, I do remember one thing. That lipstick thing there. Oh, can't wait to see it, can't wait. So let's see what this month is all about. It says, "Hey Glossies, your emergency supply of hair care, makeup and skincare is here. You're welcome. Our Beauty SOS box includes 5 essentials that will come to your rescue during your busy party season. Whether you're getting ready for a night out, partying away, or needing a boost the morning after, these wonder products will revive your hair and skin when you need it most. This November, we are truly honoured to give you a gift of Huda Beauty with a liquid matte lipstick to add to your collection. We've also included an extra treat from Chloe, so you will look, feel and smell sumptuous this season." And the sneak peek for December is it's a Bella Pierre Shimmer Roll. Shimmer Roll is a highlighter. Now I've had this before and it is really nice. I think I had it in a Look Fantastic maybe last Christmas time, I'm not too sure now, but it is really nice. No, I'm not going to look at the rest of the card. I want it to be a little bit of a surprise. So let's get the first item, and I'll grab that lipstick. Liquid matte Huda Beauty lipstick in shade Girlfriend. Really nice, like a really nice nude colour. I'll just put some on my hand. Oh, it's really quite watery. I wasn't expecting that, but it's quite mattifying as well. I can see it matting down. Really nice colour, a nudie browny colour. Look for my hand, I got burnt last night on the oven. Heck, it hurts, really hurts, and it's only small. But no, back to the lipstick. I really like that. Definitely a colour I wear, and it's quite liquidy. It looks quite liquidy, but I'm interested to see how mattifying it is on my lips. Oh, I bet that feels absolutely wonderful. Can't put it on now because I've got lipstick on already. I was expecting it to be in the actual packaging. Where is it? There. See there? That's the packaging there. I was expecting it to be in the packaging, so it's a little bit odd that it's not in the packaging, but nevertheless I still like it. I really can't wait to try it. So what's it say about it? So this is a full size item, and the recommended retail price for this is £18, and it says, "Her vegan friendly and cruelty free liquid matte lipstick is one of our kind, comfortable to wear, and is infused with antioxidants and an exclusive complex to help maintain hydration. The lightweight long wearing formula glides on, and the colour intensifies as it sets to a matte matte, transfer-free finish. You might even forget you're wearing anything on your lips at all. Oh, I'm gonna have to try it. I know I've got lipstick on already, but I just wanna try a little bit on top. I'm wearing the new Bobbi Brown lipstick I got from ASOS, and it's really pretty. So that's not the true shade because obviously I've got another colour on underneath, but no, I really like it. It feels so nice going on. Oh no, that's nice. I really, really like that. So that's our first item. So our next item is Living Proof Restore Mask Treatment. That's what that looks like there. Now I've seen this brand a lot in Look Fantastic, in the Look Fantastic samples. You can get lots of little different sachets to try from this brand, and it says, after shampooing, apply generously to roots and ends, leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse. Ooh. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Oh, that's really, really nice. Oh, nice, nice, nice. So can't see much, it's just a white mask there. So how much have we got here? We have got 28 grams. So let's see what it says in here. So this is a travel size version and it'll cost you £10. It says this deeply conditioning cruelty-free mask restores damaged hair, cuticles and moisture levels. The mask repels dirt so you can shampoo less and also strengthens hair to become 20 times more resilient to breakage. Now that sounds perfect for my hair. Absolutely perfect. So that's our second item. I quite like that. We've never had that before. Next item, what have we got? We got a perfume. So this is Nomads by Chloe, and it's a little sample 1.2 ml sample perfume there. You can see there, a little squirty one. Is this an extra? Is this an extra? Yeah, this is an extra treat, and you get either Nomad or you get the original Chloe. I have recently had the Chloe from, is it Glamour Beauty Club? It's to, they send you free samples to review, which is good, and I love it, absolutely love it. I don't think I've ever tried this before. Combination of oak moss and freesia that captures the spirit of a woman open to the beauty of the world. Let's try it on. I'm not wearing any perfume today. Ooh, shall I spray it first, just in case I absolutely hate it? I'll spray it in the ear. That is quite nice. I'll try it on my skin, because it always smells a little bit different on skin. Ooh. I'll come back to it. It's one of those perfumes, or it happens to me a lot. If I spray a perfume and it's like, ugh, instantly I don't like it, but then after it's settled down, it's like, ooh, that's quite nice. So yeah, at the moment it's a bit ooh, but I will come back to it and I'll let you know what my thoughts are as we go along. So no, I've just read that, haven't I? God, I'm a bit scatty today, a bit scatty. So next item, and we've got a palette. So what's this? Style London. And it's an eyeshadow palette, paraben-free, vitamin E, mineral base and cruelty-free. So far all cruelty-free products. So what have we had before Style London? Have we had like brushes maybe, makeup brushes? I can't remember now. I do recognise the name. Can't open it. It's like me and my advent calendars. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Look at those colours. They are really, really pretty. Nice and shimmery and sparkly. Gorgeous plums. Gorgeous, gorgeous plums. And have we got any mattes? Yeah, we have. Oh, we got some really nice mattes down the bottom here. And all the rest are all shimmery. Oh, I love that. I love that. Let's see what they are like on my arm. I know it's different on your arm than it would be on your actual lids, but I just want to see the colour just to show you. There you go. See, I have to stand up for this because I'm useless at doing swatches. There, can you see there? Look at that colour. Wow, 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 that is gorgeous. That is so pretty. And that one's nice as well, like these mattes and all these shimmers. Oh, really nice palette. Really, really nice. Some gorgeous colour there. But I think that one is going to be my favourite one. It is so, so pretty. So this is a full-size palette and the recommended retail price is £9.99. It says this pocket-sized cruelty-free palette has endless possibilities for going out in the town or warming up your daytime look this season. From daytime neutrals to autumnal bronze hues, both matte and pearlescent, this is the only palette you need. So no, really, really like that. So happy with that. So that's our third item, I think, isn't it? What we've got here. Context, and this is a microderm regenerator, 30ml. This 2-in-1 daily cleanser and gentle exfoliator soothes and purifies skin as it effectively cleanses. Now, I've had this before as well, and I can't remember where I have got quite a lot of cleansers downstairs in my bathroom. I've got a little sort of basket full of them, so I just grab one at a time. Where have I had it from? If any of you know where I've had this before, I'd love to know. Let me know down below. But it says here that this is a deluxe mini, and the recommended retail price for this one is £6.50. For the full 120ml, it is £26.70. And it says it gently exfoliates, polishes and purifies. Powerful antioxidants also protect cells and fight free radicals damage to leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. It's cruelty and fragrance free too. That's our 4th item, so yeah, it's quite nice, even though I haven't tried the other one yet, I don't think anyway. So, and our last item, what is this? What is this? It is Your Good Skin. Ooh, that I recognise that. I recognise that. Where have I seen that before? Balancing Skin Concentrate. Visibly healthier skin in just 28 days. This is a 10ml. Enriched with a unique antioxidant complex of green tea and vitamin C, clinically proven. Where have I seen that before? It reminds me very much of, I think Boots have come out with their own brand of skincare. Last year sometime maybe, and it reminds me of that. Your Good Skin. Might be completely way off here. I'll have a look on the information, but what exactly is it? It just says use twice daily after cleansing, so it's more like it's a cream, isn't it? It's more like a moisturising cream or like a serum. Yeah, like a cream. Really nice, feels nice. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Smells like cucumber. So this is a deluxe mini, and the recommended retail price for this is £5.83, but for the full size it says check the goodskin.com website. I will link it down below. I'll link all the products in this box, and I'll let you know how much it all comes to at the end as well, so to give you an idea of what this box is worth. The Balancing Skin Concentrate has a unique complex of green tea and vitamin C to help improve skin texture, moisture, radiance, oiliness and skin tone evenness in just 28 days. From day 1, 95% of women have smoother skin, and by day 28, 90% notice visibly, why can't I say that? Healthier skin. What more could a girl want? So those are all the items. I've just gathered them all up. We had 5 beauty items this month, and the perfume was a freebie. My overall view of this perfume is that it's okay. It's not bad, but it's not one I would buy. It's quite strong, quite overpowering, and yeah, it's a little bit too strong for me. But anyway, back to the beauty products. So all of these all totted up all together come to around £50. So again, way over the price of your £13.25 box. I think we've got a really good mix. It's perfume's gone on the floor, never mind. I think the 2 items that excite me the most are the makeup items. This lipstick is lovely. It seems nice on my lips, even though it's on top of another lipstick. It doesn't feel drying whatsoever, but again, that might be due to the other lipstick. But this eyeshadow palette is really pretty with some really gorgeous shades in there. Not too fussed about getting this cleanser again, although I can't remember where I got it from. I don't think it was a Glossybox, maybe a Look Fantastic, but I don't know what it's like. I might fall in love with it, I don't know. But yeah, hair mask is always good, and it sounds really good. It sounds as if it will help my thin hair that breaks very easily. And yeah, this little moisturiser, I'm assuming it's a moisturiser. This seems really good as well. It seems quite nice. It smells absolutely gorgeous. So not a wow box this month, but I think these 2 makeup items have really stole it for me. I think, yeah, these are the 2 showstoppers of this month's box for me personally. So I'll just put these down. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you get Glossybox? What do you think of this month's box? Do you think it's good? Do you think it's not so good? I'd love to hear all that. So yeah, let me know down below. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come, which will be a Look Fantastic tomorrow. But yeah, I think that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.